Hello everyone, welcome back again with another video. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how you can simply sign up OKX account, how you can purchase crypto, and how you can simply trade over there. So each and every details I'm going to teach you. So let's do sign up here. So here you can see the interface over there, like OKX, unlock mystery boxes and win up to $10,000. So I have also provided the referral link over there, so please check the referral link in the description box, and if you sign up through the referral link, then you will get the free reward over there. So if you follow the link, then you can simply see this kinds of interface over there. After that, we are going to create an account over here. So here you can see like create an account. So if you follow the link, then you can simply see this kinds of interface, and please follow the link over there. So please provide the email or phone number to simply sign up over there. So I cannot show my personal information over there, so simply I will do later on. So simply tap on Google, or you can simply use your email address to sign up. So after that, you will be able to see the overview of the OKX. So here you can see I have successfully signed up the OKX account. Please provide all the details like email address only. So after that, you will see this kinds of interface, like you can simply download the app for the mobile and the desktop over there. So simply you can see here, so OKX is a trading platform where you can simply buy or sell the cryptocurrencies, and it's an awesome platform for you. So exchange in your pocket. Okay, so here you can see like how to buy crypto. Okay, so let us buy crypto over there. So how you can simply buy over there, so simply you can see this kinds of interface. After that, so it also provide the guide over there, like register, verify phone number, everything. So later on we'll verify the phone number also. Simply select the the currency over there, so like USD. So I'm going to purchase for the USD, and you will receive USD. Okay, so if I pay $10, then 10 USDT it will provide me. So I will tap on buy USDT. So after that, you can simply see this kinds of interface, like I'll be get like 9.90 USDT. Okay, so first of all, I need to verify my identification. So before purchasing, so we need to verify our identity. So let us verify the identity. So here you can see like a login password. So everything we need to like set up over there, like login, password, mobile verification, authentication, app verification, two-factor authentication like 2FA, and anti-phishing code verification. So first of all, let us verification the login password over there. So let me add the login password. Please follow all these steps over there. So like new password, confirm password, then email code. So email. Okay, so let me add the password over there. After that, I'll just go through it. So for the email code, you can simply use your email. After that, it will send the code on your email box. Then after, you can simply copy the email code and paste over here. So it's just a very easy and simple process. Like yes, you need to enter your email. So I cannot show my personal email, so it's against your policy. So that please use your email address and tap on send code, then after it will provide you the code. So please get back, and after that tap on mobile verification. After that, you can simply set up the mobile verification, like from which country you are from. Please select your country. After that, you will be able to enter your mobile number. So I'm from Bangladesh, so please enter your phone number, like a new phone number and SMS code. It will provide you the code. Please enter your number. After that, it will send the code on your mobile phone. Then after, it will then after, you can simply add the code over there. So again, use the email code also over there, so previous email code. After that, please tap on confirm. So let us do app authentication verification. Like you can simply download the app, and simply for the iOS, here is the link, and for the Android, here is the link. So please scan this link, and you can simply verify, you can simply link your mobile phone with your desktop. So I'm using the desktop, and we can simply verify through the mobile. So please email code, please enter the email code over there, and authentication app code, it will available in the mobile app for the OKX. Okay, so simply two authentication factor, please turn on this, and after that, let's go for the anti-phishing verification. Okay, so for the anti-phishing verification, like you need to create your own code, and after that you need to enter your email code. The security is very tight, so this is the best things that I have ever seen in the trading platform. Like the verification and all this security is very much tight over there. So you can simply, I'm going to teach you how you can simply trade over there. So you can simply see all kinds of interface over there. Here, like please tap on trade, and I'll show the demo trading over there. So what you can simply do, so I'm going to teach you. So here you can see how you can buy or sell the cryptocurrency. So each and every detail I'm going to provide you. So like for the green signal, it is like buy, and for the red signal, it is like likely to be a sell. So buy or sell. So simply from here you can buy and sell the cryptocurrency. So I'm going to teach you how you can simply buy here. Like, so I'm going to buy some cryptocurrency over there, so like the price and the amount. So like in a average ratio of buy and sell, it's in a like sometime a selling price is high and selling is high, and sometime buying is high. So it depends upon the scenario, the situation, the highest rate of the crypto and the lowest rate of the crypto. It depends, it varies time and again. Here you can see the like the trading cryptocurrencies over there. So whichever currency you want to buy for, simply tap on there. So now I'm going to teach you how you can simply buy. So please fill the amount over there, like the BTC Bitcoin, and you can simply buy over there. So order the confirmation. After that, so those, so successfully the place order is placed. So for I have buy, so how I can sell it, so I need to sell, then you can simply fill the amount over there. So oh, it's very huge, like 0.05. Okay, so I need to pay this, like I need to sell this, and also again this. Okay, so the order is placed. You can see over there, like the order has been successfully placed over there. So we have successfully buy the crypto and sell the crypto over there. So we have learned much more things. So if you like the content, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell over there. We'll be uploading more videos like this. So till then, bye bye and take care. So don't forget to use our referral link over there.